When you are developing software for the .NET platform using C#, F#, or VB.NET, you may need to add third-party libraries or framework to your project. So we can use the .NET add package command from the .NET SDK to add third-party packages to our project. So this is the syntax of the command .NET add package, then the name of the package. So NuGet.org is a website onto which NuGet packages are uploaded. So you can go to that particular website, that is the NuGet.org, and you can search for the packages, or you can check the packages from here. So it will list different types of packages which you can install into your project file. So when you give the command .NET add package and the package name, the command line interface, that is the .NET SDK, will contact the NuGet.org and download the required packages and the references and other libraries to your project folder. It will also update your CS project file to make sure that the system recognizes that the particular package has been added to your project. Now we'll create a simple project in which we will be using a SQLite 3 library as well as the system.io.ports for accessing the serial port. Then we will learn how to add that particular package to your system. So we'll create a new console project. So we will name that as my console app SQLite 3. Then to this particular project, we will add third-party libraries like the SQLite 3 library as well as the system.io.ports. So first we'll create this particular project. We will now go to that particular directory. So we are in this directory right now. You can use the .NET add package. Now we have to use the package name. So I don't know which package. I don't know the exact name of the package. So one thing you can do is you can go to the NuGet gallery or the NuGet.org, this particular website. And from here you can search for the name of that particular library that we want to use. So I'll be using the system Microsoft.data.sqlite package. So I will type that name right here. So this is for accessing the SQLite library. So you can hit search here. So you can find that particular package right here. So you can see this particular line .NET CLI here. So we will get the exact command that we want to use it here. So you can copy it from here. Now you can see that this version is the preview version. So I want to use a different version. I want to use the stable one. So you can go to the versions tab here. That is under this particular .NET CLI. You can find the versions tab here. You can click on that. And this will show the different versions like this one. So I'll use the 8.05. So I'll click on that one. And you can see from here that this command line command has updated. Now it will be installing the version 8.05. So you can copy it from here and then use the command line from here. I will delete the old one right now. You can just paste this here, right? So we'll be adding this particular package. So you can press enter right now. And this will now install the package to our project directory. Now if you go inside that particular directory, now we are inside the My Console App SQLite 3 directory. So you can check this CS project file, and I will open it in Notepad right now. So inside this, you can see that the package reference include equal to Microsoft data.sqlite, and the version has been updated. So you can see that this particular package, the system knows that we have downloaded this particular package. So if I add another package, it will also be updated right here. So I'm going to add one more package. I'll just give it here. This will install the system.io.ports. This gives us access to the serial port class. Now if you go inside our project folder and if you check our CS project file, you can see that the package reference has been added. Version is also added. So this is how you add the different NuGet packages to your project file for the .NET platform. So you can also list it programmatically. You can use the .NET list command to list the various packages that has been installed. So this is the command. It's package only. So press enter. So you can see that these two packages has been installed for our project. So we can use the functions and classes which are available inside this particular libraries. We can also remove particular packages by giving the name. So you can remove the package by using .NET remove package name. So I will remove this one. So if I give this particular command, it will remove the Microsoft.data.SQLite3. The other package will remain the same. I will list it again. Then you have to do a restore. Now I will list the package again. As you can see, only system.io.ports is available. The other one was removed using the remove command. You can see that this change has been reflected in the CS project file also. If we look inside that one, we can only find the system.io.ports. The other one has been removed. Now I will reinstall that one again. Now, if you want to know all these commands, you can check out our website. We have all the commands here. You can also check out the Microsoft website also for these commands. So here is the .NET list package command. So you can check our website if you want. So all these data is available in our website. So you can also add a reference to a local .NET assembly. Usually those are DLL files. So you can use the .NET add reference command like this one. And then you have to give the particular part to this .dll. The DLL file will remain local to your system. While when you are using the NuGet library, you are the .NET command is actually downloading all the data from the NuGet.org server. Here I would like you to introduce to our website. This is our website name, xanthium.in. I will put the link in the description. As you can see from here, we provide tutorials on various embedded systems like Arduino, 8MEGA328P, microchip, and different ways to interface these particular microcontrollers to the PC. We also provide tutorials on languages like Python, .NET, like C#, Visual Basic .NET, etc. So you can check our website for these kinds of tutorials. We also manufacture embedded system products like the USB to serial converter that you can see from here, both the isolated one and the non-isolated one. Now we also have a companion website to this particular video. So the link to that particular website will be in the descriptions. So do check it out. So do check our stores also and our products like this one. This is a completely isolated USB to serial converter. So this is the USB section, and this is the RS-232 and the RS-485 converter. The whole section is completely isolated using both digital and power planes. So nothing, whatever happens wrong here will not be transmitted to your PC. So this thing is ideal for interfacing with different legacy USB to serial RS-232 devices or RS-485 devices. This is the device I was talking about. As you can see, the ground is completely isolated from here. And you have an isolated RS-232 port as well as an isolated RS-485 port. This is a DB9 port. We also have a screw terminal for RS-232. So if you don't need any isolated USB to serial converter, we also make a simple USB to serial converter. This one. Here we have this is non-isolated, but it has RS-485 port as well as the RS-232 port. Similar to the previous one, but non-isolated. So do check it out. If you want it, you can buy it from our store.